Welcome back. What if I was to tell you the biggest thing holding Jamaica back is not talent, not resources, not even money? It is systems, broken systems, slow systems, outdated systems. Systems that tax the patience of ordinary Jamaicans every single day, standing in hotlines for hours, government offices sending you from building to building like a human pinball, paper files vanishing into thin air, land titles trapped in a years-long bureaucratic purgatory. And while the world accelerates into the age of artificial intelligence, Jamaica is still fighting jammed printers, rubber stamps, carbon copies, and the dreaded phrase, "come back tomorrow." But maybe, just maybe, the tectonic plates are starting to shift. Recently, Minister of Efficiency, Innovation and Digital Transformation, Ambassador Audrey announced plans for a national digital document wallet, a secure system where Jamaicans can store birth certificates, national IDs, and motor vehicle documents directly on their phones. Now, at first glance, some people might hear that and think, okay, nice little convenience. But Jamaica, this is not about convenience. This is about building the foundation of a modern digital state. This is the end of the brown envelope bureaucracy. Imagine waking up and realizing you no longer need to sacrifice an entire day of paid leave just to renew a single document. Imagine your passport application tracked in real time on a secure dashboard, moving through milestones like dominoes, falling perfectly into place. But let's push past the basics. Let's look at what happens when we inject true cutting-edge technology into this foundation. Instead of 10 different government agencies asking you for the same information 10 different times, Jamaica could adopt an integrated digital exchange system similar to the architecture used in countries like Estonia. Your information remains secure at the source, but authorized systems communicate instantly and intelligently with each other. No more carrying folders from office to office. No more repeating the same story at 10 different counters. Imagine AI not only answering customer service questions, but predicting infrastructure failures before they happen. Imagine AI processing routine business permits, construction approvals, and low-risk applications in seconds, allowing human experts to focus on complex cases that actually require human judgment. Imagine hospitals reducing wait times because systems communicate efficiently. Imagine emergency services responding faster because information moves instantly instead of slowly through paperwork. And more, imagine land titles and vehicle ownership records secured through digital ledger systems where files cannot mysteriously disappear, cannot quietly be altered, and cannot be manipulated behind closed doors. Imagine transparency no longer depending on promises from politicians, but embedded directly into the architecture of the system itself. You see, when you digitize systems properly, you eliminate the shadows where corruption survives. And let's be honest, the true cost of inefficiency in Jamaica is not just frustration, it's economic bleeding. If hundreds of thousands of Jamaicans lose even 3 hours a month dealing with outdated systems, that translates into millions of lost productive hours every single year. Millions of hours that could have gone into building businesses, investing, software development, agriculture, parenting, innovation, and generational wealth. But here's the truth that nobody wants to admit, it seems. Brilliant people trapped inside broken systems eventually become frustrated people. And frustration is a silent engine behind Jamaica's challenges, or at least some of the outdated inefficiencies that we have are in fact our biggest challenges. We need functioning systems to keep a person's sanity and quality of life when they work with systems. So how do we actually achieve this? How do we stop imagining and start executing? Jamaica would need a true technological leap, a unified digital identity system that securely connects citizens to banking, healthcare, government services, and public records without endless paperwork. A cloud-first digital infrastructure that reduces dependency on outdated manual systems, affordable, flexible digital governance systems designed for Jamaican realities instead of imported bureaucracy. And perhaps most importantly, a national innovation culture where local developers, engineers, entrepreneurs, and young tech minds are encouraged to build solutions on top of this digital foundation. Because once you build the digital highway, you don't stop at the wallet. Why shouldn't Jamaica become the digital and AI innovation hub of the Caribbean? Why shouldn't Jamaican developers build systems that other Caribbean countries eventually use? Why shouldn't Jamaica become known not only for tourism and music, very important, but for intelligent systems and digital innovation? And why wait? The countries investing in intelligent, frictionless systems today may become the economic superpowers of tomorrow. And whether we are ready or not, the future is coming at us at the speed of light. The only question left is, will Jamaica build the future? Or will we watch the future get built somewhere else? This has been Dear Jamaica, where we don't just talk about problems, we architect solutions. One island, one people, one future, building together. Let's keep talking.